Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset the Boombox 2 from JBL. So let's just start. The first thing that you want to do is just have it turned on. So first you want to turn on the JBL Boombox, and then you just want to like hold and press the plus button and the play button at the same time for at least 10 seconds. So you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna hold the plus button and the play button at the same time. Just press it and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. What will happen then? Automatically your JBL Boombox 2 will reset. So this is something that you can do, and this is how you're gonna do it. So to repeat the process, first you're gonna reset it, then you're gonna have like turn it on, and then you're gonna hold the plus with the play button and you're gonna press it together for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and your JBL Boombox 2 should reset. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.